This weekend we are at the very first BIG Land Rover Festival and we are surrounded by, well, Land Rovers. Roof tents for miles. Now, do you think Herman, being a motorhome amongst a sea of Land Rovers, do you think he will stick out like a sore thumb?
Not at all.
No, because there are other motorhomers and camper vans and caravans here.
Yes.
So let's have a wander around, shall we, and see what this is all about. Now, what I know about Land Rovers, you can write on the back of a matchbox. I mean, what's the difference between the Series 1 and the Defender? And what the hell is a disco? I'm only joking, of course. A disco is a place where people have fun dancing to loud music.
And you're showing your age.
During the festival, they had a parade allowing proud owners to show and talk about their landies. Landies. Listen to me sounding like I know what I'm talking about. Fantastic. 6 wheels. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. And all the countries that they've been to on the side. I have no idea what this used to be. Do you think that was a gun turret on the top? Nah, it can't be. Very good condition camel trophy Land Rover. They even have their very own purpose-built 4x4 off-road track. It costs about 25 quid, I think it was, to do 2 laps in your own vehicle. So I think, what do you think, Herman? Do you think he would be able to go round? Would you? That would be funny, wouldn't it? Just put some off-road tyres on.
He wouldn't even fit in that little ditch there. He'd have half the bottom hanging
I don't think he'll get underneath the finish line. So even this one's struggling with the finish line. Now, I don't know my way around Land Rovers and whatever, but that looks like a fairly brand new motor.
That's a 23.
A Land Rover. It's a 23 plate. Oh, he's going for it. He's not hanging around. This one was carrying, well, let's just call them passengers. If you listen carefully, you can hear them scream.
It's like a fun fair ride, isn't it?
There's a few screams coming from that Land Rover. Now I've got a drone shot of that very same course. Look at this one bouncing around. Now you can tell which vehicles have been in the 4x4 off-road because this brown mark across the front here, that's a pool of muddy water that they have to drive through. Here's another one. You can see the brown line across the front there. Not very deep, this one has gone. Maybe the big wheels have managed to lift it out, but you can see all the splatters of mud down the side. This one's been in really deep. Look at that, right up to the bonnet. Herman though, no brown mark across the front there. All nice and clean. It's just a shame really. I would really love to get Herman in that 4x4 thing, you know, that track. And this Land Rover appeared to be made of mud. For some reason, they've got a Land Rover up a 100-metre crane. Maybe they're going to be playing conkers with it later. They also had a driving skill course where drivers need to navigate traffic cones. A far cry from the off-road course, but resulting in fewer dents and car washes. The course ended with a slalom and fireworks. Zoe's just alerted me to what looks like a fire over in the direction of where Herman is. So we're going to take a look, see where all this smoke's coming from. So luckily Herman is not on fire. It's a motorcycle display team called Rockets. The Rockets are a motorcycle display team of kids aged between 5 and 13 years old. Followed by Tom. The evening entertainment was mostly live music from this marquee, but there was also a DJ spinning the USB sticks from this purpose-built Land Rover. There was also a crowd of adults standing around this school bus, which had been converted into a bar. So this morning we did have a few catastrophes. First of all, it's a small one. We were going to have a cooked breakfast on the barbecue, but then we ran out of gas halfway through. So we decided to cook it in here and have poached eggs instead of fried. And then we decided to melt our poached egg cup things. All 4 of them melted like that. So that's 2, and then the other thing was this roof light here. This arm snapped, so it's only being held on by that spring there. I'm going to see if I can print a new one off, another one, maybe stronger. I don't know. I'll have to take it apart, so that'll probably be another video. We've just been watching a demonstration from Mark from Van Life Eats, linguine prawn, and that looks very tempting. Will you be indulging yourself in a little...
Ta-ta.
Good, you like this one? You
Thank you very much.
You're like me. You're sitting at 4.
Oh, she's dropping it and drooling it all over the place.
There's a bit more chilli if you want a bit more chilli on.
Very chilli-fied.
Oh, very chilli-fied. Right, I'm going to have mine now. Ta-da. Now, amongst the stalls, they do have a motorhome dealership, M&C Limited, and not only are they trying to sell you a camper van, also this mighty motorhome camper van 4x4, the Extra, and it's going for £160,000. I'm going to have a quick look inside. Oh, nice leather. Oh, she's in here as well. Oh, hello.
She's having a nose.
She's having a nose. It just looks like any other motorhome in here, doesn't it, really?
Yes.
Even though you're 20 foot up in the air.
Yes.
What's the bathroom like then? Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's one of those. Looks like someone's already used the toilet. I'm only joking. And you just move that round there and you've got the shower. Oh, nice firm click as well. Very nice. Quite a lot of room for a shower as well. And about 4 meters up, you've got the bed. I guess you'd have to move these out of the way. And oh, it looks very, very cozy up here. Nice wood effect as well on the walls. Very nice. Window either side. Very cozy. Kind of want to stay here all weekend, I think.
Nice and cool.
Yeah, yeah, it is, isn't it? Right, back to looking at Land Rovers. So they also have an auto jumble at the show, which basically means, well, I think you can actually make a whole Land Rover out of all the bits that you could buy at the show. It's incredible. Chairs, dashboards, bumpers, wings, everything you can think of on a Land Rover you can buy here, including a front bulkhead, some side panels, part of an engine, even the whole chassis, but I think this is a service for getting it galvanised. And whatever this thing is. How about a couple of wings and a steering wheel? Or what about a roof and rear window? And more oily parts that you don't even know what to do with. And I'm sure this store's just dismantled a Land Rover, because you've got the front bulkhead there, you've got the side panels, you've got the wings there, you've got exhaust and many other things, bonnet, and again, whatever these things are. Well, I found some new tyres for Herman. Do you think they're a bit big though? Now you see the odd motorhome camper van with the off-road knobbly wheels, all-terrain tyres, but honestly, to be really truly serious about going off-road, you've got to get a kit like this, haven't you? Extra jerry cans holding the fuel. These are fuel tanks as well, and you've got the off-road sand for the wheels. Put your sand, whatever these are called, I don't know, making it up. A jack and a spade there to dig you out of trouble. After a while, we decided to watch the off-road again. This is the same muddy water splash, but from a better angle, giving you a different view of all the muddy and rusty parts. This reminded me of a dog giving you its paw. Oh, 3 wheels in the air. And again.
Whoa.
Oh, it's stuck. Lots of wheels spinning. They're stuck. Are they stuck? If they are stuck, there are plenty of vehicles to tow them out. Blimey, those wheels are at different angles, aren't they? You can't park that there, mate. What's that phrase? 4x4 by far? I think it's 4x4 too far.
A few minutes later.
So I think we're going to have to leave this one here. This is going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's our first time at Land Rover Fest. We don't have a Land Rover, so if you're interested in seeing us in our motorhome, then why not subscribe? Until next time, take care, brush your hair. We'll see you when we see you. Peace. Oh, I think we're going to have get the tow truck out. He's out. That was simple enough. Oh, the Toyota wants to have a go. Wants to show him who's boss. All four wheels are back on terra firma. What a gag.